Ever feel like your team is working hard but not actually moving faster? That's because you're managing tasks, not intelligence. Let me show you how this platform flips that. Rike is a work management platform designed to help teams work smarter, not just stay busy. Instead of juggling tasks across emails, spreadsheets, and shared apps, Rike brings project planning, team collaboration, and AI powered insights into one central workspace. From here, you can clearly see what needs to be done, who's responsible, and how work is progressing in real time. This makes it much easier to spot bottlenecks, track deadlines, and understand where projects are getting stuck. Rike is built for teams that want clarity, speed, and structure without the chaos that normally comes from managing work across too many disconnected tools. One of Rike's most powerful features is its AI work intelligence, which helps teams stay ahead of problems instead of reacting to them. The AI analyzes how work is moving across projects and predicts potential risks before they turn into real issues. It can automatically prioritize tasks, flag possible delays, and suggest actions to keep projects on track. For managers and team leads, this means less time micromanaging every detail and more time focusing on decision making and leadership, instead of constantly checking them. Rike gives you a clear picture of where attention is needed. Rike makes collaboration simple by allowing teams to communicate directly inside the work itself. Team members can comment on tasks, edit details, and share files in the same workspace where the work happens. This keeps conversations tied to the task instead of scattered across emails or shared apps. Live updates means that everyone sees changes as they happen, whether they're working in the office or remotely. By keeping everything in one place, Rike removes long email threads and, reduces miscommunication, helping teams stay focused on execution instead of searching for information. Rike also gives teams the ability to create custom dashboards that show exactly what matters to them. You can track project progress, upcoming deadlines, team workloads, and overall performance in one view. This makes it easier to understand the big picture at a glance without digging through multiple reports. On top of that, Rike allows you to automate, repetitive tasks and approvals, so routine work moves forward without constant manual input. Instead of forcing teams to adapt to rigid systems, Rike adapts to your workflow, helping projects move forward faster, so much more smoothly. 2 points of note. Rike integrates with over 400 tools including Slack, Google Drive, and Zoom. The AI also helps summarize meetings and generate task insights automatically. If your team's drowning in spreadsheets, emails, and confusion, Rike Work Intelligence changes that. Try it out and see how it feels when your projects practically manage themselves.